Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the Y-Connect NVX V2 down and removing every external cable. This prevents shorts and preserves settings. Once done, ground yourself. Static kills electronics, so use an anti-static strap or touch the chassis frequently. Next, remove visible screws with a Torx T6 and keep them labeled. Make sure to use a plastic pry tool at seams to avoid scratching the case. These first actions let you access internal fasteners safely and prevent accidental damage when you open the housing. With the case open, you work methodically. Start at a corner and run the pry tool along the seam so clips release one at a time. Forcing it risks broken tabs. Once inside, identify the NVX board and visually note ribbon cable orientation. Take a photo if unsure. Flip up the connector locks before pulling ribbons. Pull straight out, not at an angle. Remove board mounting screws, then lift the board vertically to avoid snagging components, which prevents PCB trace damage and misalignment. Now locate the Y-Connect NVX V2 connector on the board. Press its retention clip and pull the connector straight out to avoid bending pins. Once removed, inspect pins and pads. Bent pins can be gently realigned, and corrosion should be cleaned with 90% plus isopropyl. Reinstall everything in reverse order. Seat ribbons, lock clips, and hand start screws before final torque. If the unit fails to boot, check ribbon orientation and connector seating first. That single miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.